Hello ladies and gentlemen, what do we have here? We have a Seiko automatic diver 200 meters made in Malaysia. It's sporting the 7S26 movement. It is the SKX A35 model of Seiko. It has a 120 click, beautiful 120 click bezel on this watch. You can hear that thing clicking. It is solid stainless steel casing, and you can see the classic Seiko symbol on the back of this watch. This one here is a scuba diver's watch, as it says, and it is on a STRAPCODE strap. And this is the STRAPCODE strap, all milled, beautiful STRAPCODE strap. Needs a little bit of shining, but other than that, this watch is in pretty good condition. I've had it for many years and just love it. It gets a lot of comment when people see it and they say, man, that yellow face is a knockout. Look at that. Bam! And it is made in Malaysia, so it's got English day date. It also has French day date right underneath the English, so you can set it for both. And you can see the indices on this watch are very easy to see. And the watch secondhand has a nice sweep on it, and I assume that it's a 21,000 beats per hour watch, sporting the 7S26 movement. So very gorgeous watch. The crown is set in for protection, so when you're diving, so this thing does not hit something and hit the crown off. And once again, it's got a STRAPCODE solid stainless steel strap, and the stainless steel strap with the screwed in links. So these are high-end links on this watch, as you can see, and it's got a butterfly clasp on the back. This is a butterfly clasp. You just hit either end of the butterfly clasp and it opens. Oh yeah, there we go, one side, and there we go, the butterfly in action, and it opens up like this. So really nice watch. I'm particularly fond of Seikos. I've owned many over the years. This one here is the one that gets the most attention when I wear it. So this is a Seiko Bumblebee. It's called the Seiko Bumblebee. It could only be attained in the US at one point in time, even though it comes from Malaysia. So thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's my watch check for the weekend. Thanks a lot.